Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will show you how to oil the EPS cutting line chain during the normal production. Let's take the 3 rows of chain in the horizontal cutting section for example. All the chain of our EPS cutting line are oiled before they leave the factory. Because we are in the EPS expandable polystyrene industry, we cannot apply too much oil to the chain because if the chain are too oiled, the machine will be dirty and the EPS foam products will be dirty also. If the chain has no rust stains, no jamming and flexible running, then there is no need to add extra oil. When the chain is stuck, for example, the joints of the chain are not flexible, it's enough to brush a thin layer of oil on the surface of the chain with a brush. If the chain joints are not movable, it's necessary to apply diluted kerosene on the chain surface and then apply oil after the chain joints are opened after a period of operation. The same method can be used for all chain of continuous EPS cutting line, including 3-row chains, double-row chains, and single-row chains. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.